at the World Trade Center MBTA station, and we are going to take a ride on the elevator that takes you up to the World Trade Center Avenue. And this is in Boston. The world's finest public transportation elevator. This goes 125 feet per minute, but let's go to 2. Here we're at 2. They were doing some construction over there. Let's go down to G. Here we are at G. Oh, that's wonderful. Let's go to 2. Here are 2. Exit through other door. It's just you can't get there. Let's go ahead and see. And then we can security buttons. This thing is a piece of junk, but hey, at least I got to ride one of these public transportation elevators. There guys, here comes the leveling. No, that was not me, that was the elevator. See, that door doesn't open. Hey look, there's a bus. Perfect timing. There goes the elevator. Let's take a look at the spot here. Wow. That's why they direct people to go in their station. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.